Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about most important and repeated MCQs of Pak studies in Punjab Public Service Commission test. Before start the video, please subscribe this channel and like and share the video. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Identity the reason for the outbreak of War of Independence in 1857. Answer is non-representation of Indians in the Legislative Council, forcible conversion of Indians to Christianity, mismanagement of Indian Army. Number 2. After which incident Sir Syed Ahmad Khan predicted that the gulf of difference between Hindus and Muslims of India shall widen with the passage of time. Answer is Urdu Hindi controversy in UP. Number 3. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan asked the Muslims not to join the Indian National Congress because answer is it was dominated by the Hindu leaders. Number 4. Identify the responsibility who founded the famous Sindh Madrasatul Salam in Karachi. Answer is Sayyid Hassan Ali Afandi. Number 5. In 1927, All Indian Muslim League was divided into two sections. One was headed by Sir Muhammad Shafi and the other by Qaid Azam. Identify the main reason of this division. Answer is Sir Muhammad Shafi and his supporters wanted to cooperate with Simon Commission but Qaid Azam against any cooperation with it. Number 6. Some Arab tribes known as Moples rebelled against the British government in 1921. Answer is to lend support to Khilafat movement. Number 7. What was Satyagraha movement under Mahatma Gandhi's direction? Answer is civil disobedience movement against the British Indian government for acceptance of certain demands. Number 8. Identity the most important feature of the Government of Indian Act 1935. Answer is it made the provinces separate legal entities. Number 9. Which was the main factor responsible for the resignation of the Congress ministers in the provinces during October 1939? Answer is the refusal of the British government to promise immediately complete independence to India, leaving behind the communal problems. Number 10. Congress started Quiet India movement with the objective to pressurize British Indian government to liberate India and hand over power to Hindu majority during answer is Second World War. Number 11. The whole history of Indian National Congress was based on the tradition of non-cooperation with the British Indian government, blackmailing and coercing them to concede Hindu Raj. The only exception was when it accepted. Answer is none of these. Number 12. The Muslim League rejected the Wavell Plan of 1945 for answer is it did not give leagues the sole right to nominate the Muslim members to the Executive Council. Number 13. Why Shimla Conference of June 1945 failed? Answer is Congress refused to acknowledge Muslim League as the sole representative party of the Indian Muslims. Number 14. Under which scheme did Muslim League surrender the demand of separate electorate for the Muslim? Answer is Delhi Proposal 1927. Number 15. Which provision is a part of Cabinet Mission Plan 1946? Answer is all subjects other than union subjects and all residuary power should be given to the provinces. Number 16. Radcliffe Award of 1947. The Muslim majority areas of Gurdaspur and Pathankot were handed over to India first because answer is it provided road link from India to Kashmir Valley. Number 17. Who first supported the Pakistan Resolution 1940? Answer is Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman. Number 18. The Congress formed minister after 1937 provincial election in answer is 8 provinces. Number 19. On which occasion Quaid-e-Azam said Hindus, Hindu India and Muslim India parted and parted forever? Answer is on the reflection of his proposed modification in Nehru Report 1928. Number 20. Identify the correct statement. The August offer 1940 was aimed at. Answer is inviting a certain number of representative Indians to join Viceroy's Executive Council. Number 21. Who took the oath of Governor General of Pakistan from Quaid-e-Azam? Answer is Justice Abdul Rashid. Number 22. Which princely state India unlawfully occupied in November 1948? Answer is Junagadh. Number 23. When Pakistan gave an application to the United Nations to become its members, only one country opposed it. Answer is Afghanistan. Number 24. After the demise of Quaid-e-Azam, who became the president of Muslim League in 1948? Answer is Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman. Number 25. Identify the author of the famous book The Emergence of Pakistan. Answer is Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. Number 26. The total cultivable land of Pakistan is estimated about. Answer is 53 million acres. Number 27. Pakistan's total area under forestation is estimated at. Answer is 8,000 million acres. Number 28. Rawal 1 and Hajweri are the two varieties of one of the following crops. Answer is cotton. Number 29. The share of cotton crops in the total cropped area of Punjab is approximately. Answer is 18.8%. Number 30. Which division of Punjab produces maximum sugarcane crop? Answer is Faisalabad. Number 31. One of the main objectives of All India Muslim League at the time of its creation was. Answer is to be loyal to the Indian British government. Number 32. Hindi-Urdu controversy of 1967 had far-reaching consequences because. Answer is it was the forerunner of the two-nation theory. Number 33. Aligarh Muslim College started Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1877 had a clear program. Answer is to keep the Muslim community abreast with Western knowledge. Number 34. Shimla Deputation of October 1906 had the following purpose. Answer is for future election in the country, Muslim community would get separate electorate. Number 35. Chaudhry Rehmat Ali published a leaflet, Now or Never, Are We to Live or Perish Forever, issue on January 28, 1933, from Cambridge with the objective. Answer is to create a separate and independent Muslim state. Number 36. Arya Samaj was founded in 1875. Answer is to be a social organization working for the good of the poor. Number 37. For what purpose with the Indian government? Answer is became hostile toward the British. Number 38. The Kanpur Mosque episode took place in August 1913. Its result was, answer is, it created political awakening among the Indian Muslims. Number 39. Nawab Vikarul Mulk became secretary of the board of trustees of Aligarh College and, answer is, encourage students to take active part in politics. Number 40. On May 28, 1920, the Khilafat Committee passed a resolution in support of non-cooperation movement started by Mr. Gandhi with the result. Answer is it created enmity between Muslims and Hindus to work together to get their grievances redressed by the government of India.